Around the world at this moment, designers are working to understand how to create designs that will be appreciated and understood by their target audiences. The client might be a record label, a computer game company, or maybe a world-leading sports brand. But sometimes the stakes are higher. Sometimes a designer just needs to get it right. And sometimes the work of one exceptional designer can change everything. But how can designers, companies, or a US presidential candidate be sure that the design they create will be efficient and liked by a target audience? We're almost 8 billion people on this earth, and every one of us has different taste. What's in your eyes is beautiful, in someone else's eyes might simply be seen as ugly. With the enormous amount of money at stake in advertising, product development, and political campaigns, organizations invest millions in trying to figure out if their designs will be liked by their target audiences, but still very often fail. The problem is that the views of a few people in a focus group or a survey never truly can represent the taste of millions. But imagine if there was a manual with precise design guidelines that designers and organizations could seek advice in when creating designs. A model which predicted what colors, typography, and content structure that worked best for any audience. If such model existed, it would revolutionize the way design is created and save millions for organizations all around the world. The Cultural Communication Project is about creating such model. By performing a large-scale survey where each participant first is classified to the so-called 5-factor model of personality, which is one of the leading constructs in the social sciences. And then, in a second step, ask participants to evaluate design aspects, such as typography, information density, and colors. It then will be possible to perform a factor analysis on the research data to discover connections between the perception of design and the different dimensions of the 5-factor model. In short, this study will connect the dots and make it possible to create design guidelines to explicit audiences all around the world. By giving designers and organizations a manual how their target audiences experience design, the model will take away the guesswork which currently rules the process of how design is created. This model will not only save time and money for small and large organizations, but most importantly, the model also will be an important contribution to the social sciences. Be part of this journey. Welcome to the Cultural Communication Project.